I want you all to just pause the video for a few seconds or a minute or so, and then you can try it out. Then we'll discuss. Okay, so if Amit sells 60 identical toys at a 40% discount on the printed price, then he makes 20% profit. Okay, 10 of these toys are destroyed in fire. While selling the rest, how much discount should be given on the printed price so that he can make the same amount of profit? Okay, now let's focus on the very first line, guys. If Amit sells 60 identical toys at a 40% discount on the printed price, then he makes 20% profit. We have been given 60 identical toys ka value, and we have been given the percentage discount and the percentage profit. Okay, now guys, always remember, whenever you have been given the percentage discount and the percentage profit, okay, this is basically there to establish the relation between the cost, selling, and the mark price. Okay, so I will start by assuming, okay, I'll start by assuming the cost price as 100 rupees, okay, per toy. Okay, let's say per toy the cost price is 100 rupees. Okay, there is 20% profit made, right? So the selling price will be 20% of 100, which is 20 rupees extra, matlab 120. Okay, but this 120 is after offering 40% discount, right? Matlab 60% of the mark price is 120. If 60% of the mark price is 120, what will be 100% of the mark price? You can cross multiply, or you can divide 120 upon 60. Okay, you'll get 2 times 100 will give you 0.2 into basically 2 into 100 will give you 200, right? So the mark price will be basically 200. Okay, you can also write the equation 0.6x equals to 120. In that case, you'll get x equals to 200. Okay. Now, after having established this relation, then we look at the next part of the question. Okay. Uh, 60 identical toys have been sold. Okay. So if 120 rupees is a selling price per toy, what should be the selling price of 60 such toys? 120 into 60, which is equal to 7,200. Okay. Now, 7,200 pay, they had sold 60 identical toys, but now 7,200 pay you are selling how many toys? 10 toys less, because 10 toys got destroyed in fire, right? So now 60 toys ke jagah pe you are selling how many? You are selling 50 toys. So what should be the actual selling price of these 50 toys? They should be 7,200 upon 50, which comes out to be 144. So selling price of each toy in the second case, okay, when you're selling 10 toys less, when you're selling only 50 toys, when you're selling 10 toys less, the selling price per toy is how much? 144. But what is the mark price of each toy? 200, right? Your selling price is 144. कितना कम है ये 56 rupees कम है. 56 rupees कम है कितने में से? 200 में से. So your discount percentage is how much? 56 upon 200 multiplied by 100. The answer is 28%. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's how we solve the question. Many people delve into finding out the original cost price, then they find out the profit involved. Not really, right? When you're making the same amount of profit, it implies that your basically selling price is the same. You are achieving that same selling price, right? So 7,200 total selling price you have to achieve, not with 60, but now with 50 dollars. So it is basically 28% ka discount. If a seller gives a discount of 15% on retail price, she still makes a profit of 2%. Which of the following ensures that she makes a profit of 20%? We'll again solve the question by assuming the cost price as equal to, let's say, 100 rupees. Okay. If the cost price is 100 rupees, okay, there is a profit of 2%. 2% of 100 is nothing but 2 rupees. So your selling price is equal to how much? 100 plus 2, 102. Okay, but this 102 is after offering 15% discount, right? Matlab 85% of the mark price is 102, or mark price is 102 divided by 0.85, right? Same thing. Okay, so when it observe, यहाँ पे से we can cancel out two zeros ऊपर नीचे और 100 से multiply करेंगे. 102 is a multiple of 17. 85 also is a multiple of 17, right? So 17 6 are, 17 5 are, 5 1 are, 5 20 are. So basically your mark price is how much? Your mark price is 120, and your selling price was how much? 102. Okay. Which of the following ensures that she makes a profit of 20%? Your cost price is 100. You want 20% profit. Matlab kya? Directly sell it at the MRP. That means sell at the retail price. That's option D. In a market, the price of medium quality mangoes is half that of the good mangoes. A shopkeeper buys 80 kg good mangoes and 40 kg medium quality mangoes from the market and then sells all these at a common price, which is 10% less than the price at which he bought the good mangoes. His overall profit percentages. Okay, guys, it's a very straightforward question. Okay, you have been given all the data. You just need to find out the profit percentage. Okay, but you have to stop dealing with variables like x and 2x like that. Okay, you if you choose to, you can make this question very easy, very much solvable. So let's see how we make it solvable. Let the price of the good mangoes be 100 rupees, right? So medium quality mangoes ka price is half of 100, which is nothing but 50 rupees. Okay, now I'm keeping the prices per kg. एक mango तो कोई लेगा नहीं, right? So a shopkeeper buys 80 kg good mangoes and 40 kg medium quality mangoes. If he's buying 80 kgs good mangoes, his total buying price is 100 multiplied by 80, 8,000. And the medium quality mangoes he's buying 40 kgs, right? So 50 into 40 is 2,000, right? That means your total cost price is how much? 8,000 plus 2,000, 10,000 rupees. Okay. Now, guys, this is while buying. But while selling, he's selling the entire lot. Okay, entire lot is how much kgs? 80 kgs plus 40. Entire lot is 120 kgs, and this he's selling at a price which is 10% less than the price at which he bought the good ones. तो good ones को उसने कितने price में लिया? We assume that price it is 100. उसको 10% से कम कर देंगे. 10% को 100 को 10% से कम करेंगे means the price becomes how much? 90 rupees. So the selling price will be 120 kgs का total सेल हो रहा है यहाँ पे वैल्यू वाइज, क्वांटिटी वाइज कितना हो रहा है एंड वैल्यू वाइज कितना हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 90, सो इट विल बी 10,800. क्लियरली 10,000 में से 800 रुपीज प्रॉफिट है, 10,000 का 10% होगा 8,000, सो 8% होगा 800.